can't splash. Splash. Ah. Oh, the birds are getting it. Ah. Good, huh?
Too close, bro.
Nah.
Ready?
Here's some more birds. Yeah, yeah, I got you.
He's like, she got it on the back. Oh, you almost got it.
Dude, he is huge. You can ride him.
He's walking.
Look at this bread.
He's walking.
They don't want red.
Ready?
There you go.
Nice catch, buddy. He's like, you don't work this.
I'm staying.
He's walking. Did you see him?
Yeah, he's walking. Come out this way and it's clear.
Micah.
Oh shit. Yeah?
Oh, dude.
Dude, they're like, once it gets wet, they're like, forget it.
I know. They know it's coming.
Here he comes, look.
Big guy.
There's so much sand down here. He doesn't want red. Oh, watch your hand. Nice one. Good
We
one.
missed. Ready?
You're almost out of food.
Oh, we missed. Hold on.
He's like, damn, this nose gets in the way all the
I
time.
know. He's like, all right, I'm done.
You want to put your arm around one?
No.
Like in the brochure? Come on.
Look, they're showing like wads.
Watch it coming. Watch it coming this way. We got a hungry herd. They're hungry.
We're not doing very good, guys.
You're like Atlas. Y'all can't catch anything in your mouth. I don't think they like it soggy.
I don't either. I don't think they like bread, but it's just cheap and easy.
The birds are getting. Oh my gosh. How do you miss that? How do you miss that? How did you miss that? Hit him in the face. Yo, he's coming big time. You got the herd.
Oh, you missed it.
Splash, splash, splash.
I threw it in both their mouths. One right after the other. I got the big guy too.
Here he comes, look.
You gotta learn to catch, bro. You have some on your back.
Up too much sand.
Oh, that's some running.
Come over here and don't
I
kick.
don't have any bread.
You didn't put your arm around one yet? Put your arm around that big one, ride it.
I could probably get a picture of the big one.
Come up beside it.
I want him to come away from the rest of them.